Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Comprehensive Guide to Data Filtering in Python with Code Examples. Data filtering is a crucial aspect of data analysis and manipulation in Python. It allows you to extract specific subsets of data based on certain conditions, enabling you to focus on relevant information. In this tutorial, we'll explore various methods for filtering data using popular libraries like numpy and pandas. Before we begin, make sure you have the following Python libraries installed. Numpy is a powerful library for numerical operations, and it provides convenient ways to filter data efficiently. Pandas is a widely used library for data manipulation, and it provides data frame structures for handling tabular data efficiently. Filtering data in Python is a fundamental skill for data analysis. Whether you're using numpy or pandas, the ability to extract relevant information based on specific conditions is crucial. Practice these examples and explore further to enhance your data filtering skills. ChatGPT.